In 2007, airbag technology introduced in 2006 Corvettes eliminated the passenger side on-off switch located in the glove box. For 2007, the switch enclosure was removed, permitting a small increase in the glove box volume. This silver Z06, one of 1,042 made that year, has only 11,000 miles on it. Paint on the car, what you would expect with 11,000 miles. I don't see any rock chips or issues. If you notice, this is starting to, somebody hit something right there, but other than that, she's nice and clean. Our lenses are nice and clear. This has the polished wheels, 2-spoke wheels. And then this car has the two-tone interior, which is quite stunning. It really makes this silver pop, that titanium ebony interior. As you can see, also 2007 saw the stereo controls go on the steering wheel. They opted for the navigation system with this car. Heated seats. The passenger side of this car is not power. The seating surfaces are in excellent shape, as well as the carpeting, as you would expect with only 11,000 miles on her. Our privacy shade, and then of course the battery in the rear, and our carpeting in excellent shape as well. And of course the LS7, 7-liter, 505 horsepower of awesome fun on the road. Folks, as always, if you'd like to know more about this particular Z06 or any of our cars in stock, I would be happy to help. 770-605-2056 or email john@buyavette.net. As always, subscribe to the YouTube channel. That way you can see all of our new inventory first. And we'll look forward to seeing you all out on the road.